the molecular spectroscopic term symbols of various diatomic molecules. Clear? So first example we will take H2. Okay, so we know very well, so that is sigma 1s2. So this is Zred, sigma 1s2, that is Zred. Okay, clear student here? So the 2 electrons are in 1s orbital. 2 electrons in 1s orbital. Okay, so what is the spin of this electron? S is equal to 0, means plus of minus of is equal to 0. Plus of minus of is equal to 0. Clear? What is the spin multiplicity? What is the formula for this spectroscopic term symbol? 2s plus 1 into lambda g or unzerred, zerred or unzerred. Clear? So here s is equal to 0. So 2 into 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. And here you can see, remember one thing, if the electrons are present in sigma level, so then the lambda will be, the spectroscopic term symbol will be sum, that is a sigma. You can write sigma. Clear? So the spectroscopic term symbol will be sigma. Okay, what is the condition, student? If the electrons are present in sigma, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2 and sigma 2pz. So in this case, so most probably the term symbol will be sigma. Remember? Okay, if the electrons are present in sigma 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma star 1s2 and sigma 2pz, in this case only the spectroscope term symbol will be sigma. Clear? Right. So what is the Zred center? Z or U. Okay, so the Zred center will be G only. Okay, if the 2 electrons are in different orbital, then you can multiply G into G or U into U. So that is equal to G only. Okay, right. So remember one thing, that is what is the superscript of this spectroscopic term symbol? That is plus only. That is plus only. Clear? Right. Next we will move to another example, that is H2 plus. H2 plus here, so that is a sigma 1s1, sigma 1s1. Clear? So sigma 1s1 means nothing but, student, only 1 electron. So therefore s is equal to half. So therefore 2 into half plus 1, so that is equal to, so 2 into, okay, the electron is present in sigma level, so therefore the term symbol will be sigma only. And if it is Zred or unzerred, so it is Zred. Okay, then the superscript is plus only. Okay, right. Next, He2 plus molecule. He2 plus helium molecule. Electronic configuration is sigma 1s2. Sigma 1s2. Okay, so that is sigma 1s2 and Zred center sigma star 1s1. So this is anti-bonding molecular orbital. If the molecule is not having center of symmetry, then we can written as a subscript as U. Okay, clear? Right. So you can see the only the electron is filled in last orbital. Electron is filled in last orbital. So don't consider this sigma 1s2. You can consider, so this the electron which is filled in last orbital only. Okay. So what is the electronic configuration? That is s is equal to, we have only 1 electron. So therefore what is s value? Half. So therefore spin multiplicity is 2 into half plus 1, that is equal to 2. So the spin multiplicity is 2, student. Clear? Right. Next, clear? Right. So the electron is present in sigma star. So the electron is present in sigma level only. So therefore the term symbol becomes 2 sigma, and here it is unzerred, then write plus. Okay, right. Next we will move to He2. He2. So He2 means nothing but, student, sigma star 1s2 and sigma 1s2 and sigma star 1s2. So this is Zred and this is unzerred. Clear, student? Right. So what is the spin multiplicity here, student? Electrons are paired up. Okay. So the electrons are paired in anti-bonding molecular orbital level. So therefore the spin multiplicity value is equal to 0. So therefore 2 into 0 plus 1, that is equal to plus 1, student. So therefore spin multiplicity is 1 and the electron is present in sigma level. So therefore you can write sigma, and here so it is unzerred. So therefore you can write as it is unzerred as a subscript. So what is the superscript, student? Plus only. Plus only, right? Next, so we will move to Li2 molecule. Li2 molecule. Clear? So Li2 means nothing but, student, sigma 1s2, the energy order configuration. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, then sigma 2s2. So sigma 1s2 Z center, sigma star 1s2 unzerred, and sigma 2s2 is zerred. So please, student, so please focus only the electrons which are filled in last orbital only. So don't consider so these two orbitals. So you can consider only the electrons which are filled in last orbital. That is the rule. Okay. Here electrons are completely filled. So this 2s orbital is completely filled, student. So therefore, what is the s value, student? 0. So what is the s value for this case? 0 only. Okay. So if s value is 0, student, what is the spin multiplicity? Spin multiplicity 2 into s plus 1. So that is equal to 1. Okay. The electron is present in sigma level. So then you can write as it is as a sigma. Clear? So here it is Zerred center. The center of symmetry or inversion center is present. So therefore here it is sigma 1g. So then the superscript as plus sigma 1 sigma g plus. Okay, right. So next we will move to another example. Is that clear, student? Okay, right. Next we will move to another example, that is Li2 plus. Li2 plus. Li2 plus. Li2 plus means nothing but, student, one electron lost from sigma 2s orbital. So sigma 1s2, that is Zerred center, and sigma star 1s2 unzerred, and so this one is sigma star 2s1, sigma 2s1 with Zerred center, sigma 2s1 with Zerred center. Clear, student? Right. So what is the spin multiplicity, student? How many electrons we have? Only one electron. We have only one electron. So therefore the spin multiplicity value is 2, student, because 2 into half plus 1, that is equal to half of get cancelled, 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2, student. The electron is present in sigma level only. So therefore you can write the term symbol as sigma. Okay, the electron is present in Zerred center, means this molecular orbital has Zerred center, means center of inversion is present. So therefore you can write Zerred center and write as a superscript in plus. Okay, so please remember, student, generally the plus minus superscript generally we will use only for sigma term symbol only. Please remember, the plus and minus superscript we will be used for only for this sigma term symbol only. Okay, so please remember, so most if the electrons are present in this sigma level, means sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2 and this level, so please write that is as plus only. So don't write negative. So if the electron is present in this sigma 1s, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, in all these case, student, so please write plus as a superscript for all these molecules. Okay, now, right. So next we will move to Be2 molecule. So Be2 molecule. So Be2 means nothing but, student, 1s2, then sigma star 1s2. So this is Zerred center, unzerred, and sigma 2s2 with Zerred center, and sigma star 2s2 with unzerred center, sigma star 2s2 with unzerred center. Okay, clear, student? So please focus only so this orbital, so means the electrons which are filled in last orbital only. Clear, student? So here the orbital is completely filled. So therefore here, so the electronic means here, so the orientation in orbital like this. So therefore S is equal to what, student? S is equal to 0. So therefore 2 into 0 plus 1. So therefore what is the spin multiplicity, student? That is 1. Okay. So the electron is present in this level. So that is sigma level only. So therefore you can write as a term symbol of sigma. Okay. So what is terms, what is here? This is subscript. Subscript you can write as it is, that is U only. Okay, then you can write a superscript of plus. Okay, right. So next we will move to B2 molecule. Okay, so B2 molecule, so I'll write the, so generally this is KK and LL. Okay, so KK and LL. And the last configuration, so boron molecule. So boron molecule means nothing but student, the p electrons which are enter in 2p level. Okay, so here the s configuration, the s energy order is over. So then the next 2 electrons are enter into the p level. So therefore here according to the up to 14 electron system, here it is pi 2p x pi 2p y student. So pi 2p x1 and pi 2p y1, pi 2p x1 and pi 2p y. So here it is unzerred. Okay, so this molecule, so these p orbitals are not having a center of inversion. So therefore here unzerred center is present. Clear student? So we will focus these 2 electrons. Okay, so one electron from this orbital and next electron is present in different orbital. So therefore here the 2 electrons in different orbitals. So therefore S is equal to half plus half. S is equal to half plus half. Therefore 1. So what is the spin multiplicity student? So 2 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. 2 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Okay, clear student? The electrons are present in p orbital. The electrons are present in p orbital. Okay, so here you will write, so that is here p orbital. So this is px and this is py and this is pz. Always you can follow this way. So this is px and this is pz and this is py. Okay, so the electron present in here and here. So here 0 minus 1. Okay, so the magnetic quantum number plus 1, 0, minus 1. So you can calculate. So L is equal to nothing but student. So the L1 that is equal to plus 1 minus 1. That is equal to what student? 0. So the L value is equal to 0. So L value is equal to 0 means nothing but student. So the superscript means the term symbol is sigma only. The L value is 0 means nothing but what is the term symbol? Sigma. Okay, right. Next, we will write the subscript student. The 2 different means the electrons which are present in 2 different orbitals. So therefore here student, so u into u is equal to, that is g. U into u, that is u into u is equal to g student. U into u is equal to g. Right. So here please remember student. So I'll explain the 2 concepts. Please remember, if the electrons are present in sigma level, so always you can write superscript of plus only. If the electrons are present in sigma level, so always you can write plus symbol. The next another thing, if the electrons are present in p orbital, in this case, if the term symbol may be sigma or pi, so how we can identify? So when we have to write plus and when we will write minus, please remember student, so plus and minus we will write. If the spin multiplicity is 3, then you can write, you can use negative term symbol. Clear? So if the spin multiplicity is 1, so then you can use plus term symbol. Clear student? Is that clear student? What is the concept student? Generally the positive and negative superscript is possible when if the electrons are present in p orbital, the positive and negative superscript we will use. Okay, but it is very difficult to identify whether it is a center of inversion with reflection through the plane. It is very difficult to characterized by within fraction of time in entrance examination point of view. So that's why students, so please use this a simple hint or simple concept. So if the electron means the term symbol is sigma, the spin multiplicity is 3, then you can use negative as a superscript. If the term symbol is sigma but the spin multiplicity is 1, then you can use plus symbol. Is that clear student? So this situation is happen when the electrons are present in pi orbital only. This situation is happens when the electron is present in pi orbital only, means p orbital only, but there is no situation, so means the plus minus condition is not possible whether the electron are present in sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. So in that case just you can use plus as a superscript, but in this case if the electrons are present in pi orbital, so please you can use plus or minus. If the spin multiplicity is 3, you can use negative subscripts and superscript, and if the spin multiplicity is 1, then you can use plus as a superscript. This is a very important concept to students. Clear, right? So then we will move to the another example, that is C2 molecule, student. C2 molecule, clear? C2 molecule. So C2 molecule means nothing but, student, KKLL, 8 electrons are over, then the 4 electrons are enter into pi 2px2 and pi 2py2, student. Pi 2px2 and pi 2py2. So this is unzerred. Okay, clear, student? Unzerred. Okay, so this is nothing but, student, so pi 4 configuration. Okay, pi 4 configuration. Here you can see, students, all the electrons are paired up only. So all the electrons are paired up. So if all the electrons are paired up means nothing but, student, so S is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 means nothing but, what is the spin multiplicity, student? 1. The spin multiplicity is 1, right? Then we will move to the term symbol. Okay, whether it is pi or sigma we will see. Okay, right? So generally you can write, so this is px, then py, and this is pz, student. Okay, so this is plus 1 minus 1. Clear, student? So plus 1 plus 1. So means nothing but for electron plus 1, another electron plus 1. So therefore it becomes L is equal to plus 2 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Plus 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0, student. Okay, clear, student? Right. So what is the term symbol, student? What is the spin multiplicity? Sigma. And what is the spin multiplicity? 1. What is the term symbol? Sigma. Clear? Why? Because L value is equal to 0, then the term symbol is becomes, right. The electrons are present in, the electron means we will write the subscript of G or U. So here U into U. So U into U means nothing but, student, U into U is equal to G, right? Clear, student? Remember, so what I said in the previous example, if the electrons are present in p orbital, if the electrons are present in p orbital, if the spin multiplicity value is 1, then you can use superscript of plus. Okay, but if the spin multiplicity is 3, then you can use negative superscript. That is the condition, student. It is very simple. Okay, so right, then we will move to the another example, student. N2 molecule. N2 molecule. Clear? N2 molecule. So N2 means nothing but, student, KKLL. Okay, right. So next, this 2p level is over, then the next electron enter into the sigma 2pz. Okay, so this is pi 2px u2 and pi 2py2. Then the next electron is sigma 2pz. So this is a Zerred center, student. So this is a sigma 2pz2. Okay, so please focus. So these orbital configuration, the electrons are completely filled, student. So sigma 2pz is completely filled. So therefore what is the spin multiplicity, student? That is plus of S is equal to plus of minus of. Clear? So S is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 means nothing but 2 into 0 plus 1. So therefore here what is the spin multiplicity, student? 1. Spin multiplicity is 1. Clear? Right. So next we will move to the term symbol, student. Right. Here we will focus only these outer orbital configuration only. Okay, right. So the electrons with last orbital. Okay, here, so this is we will take px, py, and this is pz, student. Okay, so plus 1, 0, minus 1. Here the electrons which are present in this orbital only, the electrons which are present in this orbital only. So means nothing but 0 plus 0. So that is equal to 0. So therefore here L is equal to what means, student? 0. So L value 0 means it represents sigma. L value 0, it represents sigma. Okay, right. So what is the subscript, student? Zeroid center or unzeroid center? So here it is zeroid center. So therefore zeroid center. Okay, clear. So here you can see, if the electron which is present in p orbital, if the electron which is present in p orbital, so if the spin multiplicity is 1, then you can use positive subscript. You can use positive subscript. So that is the term symbol of N2 molecule. Okay, right, student. So the similarly, so CO molecule and NO plus molecule, CO molecule, NO plus molecule and Cn minus molecule. Okay, all these are isoelectronic with N2 molecule. All these configurations are isoelectronic with N2 molecule. So therefore, so in this case for CO molecule, NO plus molecule and Cn minus molecule, so the term symbol is same. So that is 1 spin multiplicity and sigma G plus. So please follow the above N2 rule, student. Okay, right. So next we will move to the O2 molecule. So this is very important, student. So state level eligibility test in 2015. So the exam was conducted by Osmania University. So in that case, in that exam, so asked for 2 marks question. So what is the term symbol of O2 molecule? Okay. So here we will write, here it is, it possesses above 14 electron rule system, student. So please focus. So it is not follows up to 14 electron system, because it has 16 electrons. So therefore it follows above 14 electron system. In this above 14 electron system here, so the electrons are enter into the sigma 2pz first. The electrons are enter into the sigma 2pz first. Then the electrons enter into the pi 2px, pi 2py, pi 2px, pi 2py. Clear, student? So this is unzeroed 2. Okay. So after this completion of this bonding molecular orbital of 2p orbital, then the electrons enter into the sigma 2px, pi 2px and pi 2py star. So this is pi star 2px and pi star 2py, pi star 2px and pi star 2py. Clear, student? So this pi star anti-bonding molecular orbital has zeroid center, student. Okay, the 14 electrons are over. So 15th electron and 16th electron. Okay, clear, student? So you should consider only this configuration. You should consider this configuration only. Okay, clear? So we will calculate first spin multiplicity. Okay, right? So the two electrons, that is one is px electron, another one is so py electron. So this is px and py, student. So this is pz. So plus 1, 0, minus 1. Clear? So here the two electrons are present in different orbitals. So therefore S is equal to plus of and plus of. So therefore S is equal to what, student? 1. So therefore what is the spin multiplicity, student? 2 into 1 plus 1. So therefore what is the spin multiplicity? 3. Clear? Right. So then we will move to the orbital. We will move to the L value, term symbol. So L is equal to plus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So if L value is equal to 0, the term symbol is equal to sigma. The term symbol is sigma. Clear? So then we will move to the subscript. So subscript means the electrons which are present in zeroid center only. So therefore G into G. So G into G, that is equal to G only. So G into G, that is equal to G only. So already I said, student. So what is the concept, student? If the electrons which are present in pi orbital or which the electrons are present in p orbital, if the negative subscript we can use only when the spin multiplicity is 3. So therefore here we can use the spin multiplicity is 3, then we can use the subscript as negative. Clear? So this is O2 molecular term symbol. Okay, now so this is the spectroscopic term symbol, that is the sigma 3 sigma G minus. Clear, student? Right. So then we will move to the next level. So that is F2. So F2 molecular, F2 we will find out what is the molecular term symbol in F2 molecular. Clear, students? F2 molecule we will discuss. F2. F2 is equal to, so I will write the lost electronic configuration. So because already 16 electrons are over, So this is KK and LL. So I'll write so on. So the last electronic configuration I am writing, student, that is pi star 2px and pi star 2p, pi star 2px and pi star 2py, student. So Gerard center and the 2 electrons and 2 electrons. Clear, student? 2 electrons and 2 electrons. So means it is look like pi 4 configuration only. Okay, right. So here you can see, student, first of all we will find out what is the spin multiplicity of this electrons. Okay, here you can see the electrons are present in, means the electrons in px orbital you can see. So this is px, py. So there is no electrons in pz, so that is pz. Here this orbital, the electron is completely filled. Here in this case electrons are completely filled. Okay, so therefore here if the electrons are completely filled, what is the spin value? 0. So plus of minus of. So therefore here S is equal to 0. If S is equal to 0, so what is the spin multiplicity, student? 2 into S plus 1. That means 2 into 0 plus 1. So therefore what is spin multiplicity? 1. Right. Next we will move to the term symbol. Okay, so term symbol you can see. So plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So therefore L is equal to plus 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. If plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, L value is equal to 0. If L value is equal to 0, then the lambda becomes summation or sigma. Lambda is sigma. Okay, right. So I will write sigma. Okay, so what is Gerard or ungerard, student? G into G. So G into G is equal to G only. So G into G is equal to G only. Clear? So here already I said if the electron is present in p orbital, so then you can, the spin multiplicity is 1, then you can use positive superscript. Positive superscript. So this is the determination of molecular spectroscopic term symbols in diatomic molecules of various examples we have seen, that is heterodiatomic molecules and homodiatomic molecules. And also you can calculate O2 minus, O2 minus. Okay, right. So generally F2 O2 minus 2, F2 and O2 minus 2, F2 and O2 minus 2, O2 minus 2 as same molecular term symbol. So because it is 18 electron system, it is also 18 electron system. So therefore here the term symbol is 1 sigma G plus, 1 sigma G plus. So if in the examination, if he will ask O2 minus 2, what is the molecular term symbol of O2 minus 2, then that is 1 sigma G plus. Okay, right. Then we will calculate if it is O2 minus, if it is O2 minus or if it is O2 plus, we will calculate. For example, student, you can see, for example, it is O2 minus 1. So O2 minus 1, student, nothing but it is a 17 electron system. So 17 electron system, I will write only outer electronic configuration. So that is pi star 2px, pi star 2py. So this is pi star 2px2 and pi star 2py1. Okay, so this is Gerard and this is Gerard. Okay, so the 3 electrons in outer electronic configuration. Okay, right, student. So first of all we will focus what is the spin multiplicity, we will calculate, student. Okay, right. So here this one, 1, so plus 1, 0, minus 1. So px, py. Okay, so px, py. Okay, here you can see, student, so 2, 1. Okay, right. Here the spin multiplicity is 0, but in this case the spin multiplicity is half. So here 0 plus half. So 0 plus half is equal nothing but, student, half only. So therefore spin multiplicity is 2 into half plus 1. So therefore spin multiplicity is 2. Clear? Right. So then here you can see plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to L is equal to plus 2. L is equal to plus 2. So this is minus 1. So plus 2 minus 1, plus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. If L is equal to 1, student, if L is equal to 1, the term symbol is equal to pi. If L is equal to 1, the term symbol is pi. Clear, student? If L is equal to 1, the term symbol is pi. Clear? Right. So this is the term symbol pi. Right. So next we will write the subscript. So G into G. So G into G is equal nothing but, student, G only. So G into G is equal nothing but G only. Clear? Right. So here you can see What is the subscript? Okay, so subscript generally we can use negative only. Okay, so in this case, if the electrons are present in pi orbital, so with pi term symbol, then you can use negative as a term symbol. So this is in the case of O2 minus, right? So we will move to the O2 plus. What will happen? We will see. So O2 plus, student. So O2 plus means nothing but, student, it is 15 electron system only. Okay, so 15 electron system, I will write only the outer electronic configuration, that is sigma pi star 2px 1 only. Okay, so there is no electron in pi star 2py. Okay, right. So here you can see only one electron, so that is equal to S is equal to half. So therefore 2 into half plus 1, that is equal to spin multiplicity is 2. Okay, clear, student. I will write the L value here. So that is px pz, here I will write here px py and pz, student. So only one electron is present in px orbital only, so there is no electron here, 0 minus 1. So therefore you can consider this only. Okay, so therefore L is equal to, student, 1 only. If L is equal to 1 means nothing but, student, if L is equal to 1, so it represents lambda term symbol, that is equal to pi only. Okay, so that is equal to pi. Okay, right, here it is Zarad center, so therefore so you can write Zarad center and you can use negative as a superscript. So this is the these are the example for the determination of molecular term symbols in a simple way. Okay, so clear, student. So please remember, student, here in this case, if only the negative and positive superscript, we will use only for sigma, we will use only term symbol sigma. Okay, so when we will use positive, when we will use negative. Okay, right. So the negative we use only when the spin multiplicity is 3. Okay, so that is when the electrons are present in p orbital only, that is, remember. Okay, if the spin multiplicity is 1, then you can use positive as a term symbol. Okay, clear, student. So I think it helps you lot in for competitive exams like CSIR, UGC NET and state level eligibility test and IIT JAM student. Okay, right. Thank you very much. If you like my videos, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you.